Well, as mentioned, the snow hitting Mount Hood right now is being called the biggest snowstorm of the season. Here's a live look at the conditions. On the left side of your screen is a look from our ski bowl camera, and on the right is a look at the ODOT cam at Highway 26. Chains or traction tires are required if you're heading up there. Fox 12's Tyler Dumont spent the morning in government camp and has a closer look at the conditions.
The snow was steady all morning long, and it is continuing to come down here. Now take a look. You can see it's actually impacting the visibility here and, of course, the road conditions. And you can see just how much has fallen so far by looking at some of those cars that were parked out here overnight. Now, by the end of the day today, our Fox 12 weather team says people should see between 15 and 25 inches, with even more to come tomorrow. Now that is bringing a boom for businesses such as skiers and snowboarders who are getting set to enjoy the fresh powder.
They're incredible. Snow's super light, very low moisture. Can't even make a snowball out of it. It's deep too, in the knees, in the wind drifted spots, and hope to find some steeps for it.
It was a late start, but when it got started, it has been nonstop. And now I think we're going to have, like last year, a second season up here.
Snow removal crews have been trying to keep up as best they can, but just as soon as they clear the roads, the continuing snowfall quickly covers them back up. So it will likely be a long next 24 hours for those crews. Now, by the time we get to tomorrow night, our forecasters say people can expect a total of about 3 feet. That is the biggest snowstorm of the season so far up here on Mount Hood. Reporting in government camp, I'm Tyler Dumont, Fox 12 Oregon.